Welcome to Health Nuggets Headquarters, your go-to source for all things wellness. Here at Health Nuggets HQ, we're all about unlocking the secrets to a thriving lifestyle. Whether you're seeking to enhance your mental acuity or boost your overall health, you've landed in the perfect spot. Remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest insightful tips and wellness strategies. Today, we're diving into some essential tips for maintaining brain health. Stay tuned. First up, let's talk about the power of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are like the elite task force of nutrients when it comes to maintaining and enhancing brain health. Found in abundance in the cell membranes of brain cells, they play a crucial role in preserving the cell's structure and ensuring its fluidity, which in turn facilitates better communication between neurons. So, how exactly do omega-3 fatty acids benefit the brain? For starters, they are instrumental in reducing inflammation, a common villain behind many neurodegenerative diseases. Moreover, studies have shown that they can enhance cognitive functions, which includes improving memory and possibly reducing the risk of dementia. But the magic doesn't stop there. Omega-3s also contribute to the production of neurotransmitters, which are the brain's way of communicating internally. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which influence mood and cognitive functions, rely on these fatty acids to function optimally. Now, you might be wondering where to get these marvelous omega-3s. Well, they are primarily found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. If fish doesn't tickle your fancy, there are other sources too, such as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. These not only serve as excellent vegetarian options, but are also easy to incorporate into various meals. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet can be a game changer for your brain health. Moving on, did you know that regular exercise does wonders for your brain? It's like a gym session for your mind, enhancing everything from memory to mood. Let's dive into how staying active can be one of your brain's best friends. First off, engaging in physical activity increases blood flow to the brain. This isn't just about getting your heart rate up, it's about nourishing your brain with a fresh supply of oxygen and nutrients. Think of it as watering a plant, essential for growth and vitality. This increased blood flow helps to improve cognitive functions and protects the brain against degeneration as we age. Now let's break down the types of exercises that are particularly beneficial for brain health. Aerobic exercises such as jogging, swimming, or cycling are fantastic for boosting heart and brain health. They help to improve not only physical endurance, but also mental endurance by enhancing the brain's ability to process and recall information. Strength training, on the other hand, might not seem directly related to brain health, but it plays a crucial role. It helps improve posture, balance, and overall strength, which in turn can help maintain brain health as you age. Lastly, don't forget about flexibility exercises like yoga or stretching. These activities reduce stress and increase body awareness, which can lead to better mental clarity and reduced anxiety. So, lace up your sneakers and give your brain a boost with some physical activity. Now let's dim the lights and talk about sleep. In the bustling rhythm of modern life, sleep often takes a back seat. Yet it's during those quiet hours of slumber that our brains are bustling with activity. Sleep is not merely a pause from our daily routines, it's a critical period for brain health. It helps consolidate our memories, allowing us to retain and process new information more effectively. Imagine sleep as your brain's housekeeper, coming in nightly to tidy up. This includes clearing out toxins that accumulate during the day, toxins that could potentially lead to cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. But how do we improve our sleep to ensure these benefits? Start with the basics: sleep hygiene. Consistency is key. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day sets a rhythm, your internal clock, that improves the quality of your sleep. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep, cool, quiet, and dark. Invest in a good quality mattress and pillows to support your body well. Avoid stimulants like caffeine and electronics emitting blue light at least an hour before bedtime. These can trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime, reducing the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. And yes, a calming pre-sleep routine can work wonders. Whether it's reading a book, taking a warm bath, or some gentle yoga stretches, find what soothes you into slumber. Remember, a well-rested brain is a healthy brain. Ever considered training your brain just like a muscle? Just as physical exercise strengthens the body, cognitive exercises can dramatically boost your brain's performance. Let's dive into how you can keep your mind in top shape. The brain thrives on challenge and novelty. Engaging in puzzles such as crosswords or Sudoku isn't just a way to pass time, it's a form of mental gymnastics. Each puzzle solved acts like a workout for your brain, enhancing problem-solving skills and improving concentration. Reading, on the other hand, is akin to taking your brain on an adventure. It introduces new concepts, different cultures, and fresh perspectives. Whether it's fiction that stretches the imagination or non-fiction that expands your knowledge base, reading regularly is a powerful tool for keeping your cognitive functions sharp. Now consider the benefits of learning a new skill. This could be anything from a new language to playing a musical instrument. The learning process stimulates neural connections, making the brain more agile and improving memory retention. This kind of mental stimulation is crucial, especially as we age, as it helps delay cognitive decline and keeps our minds alert. But don't stop there. Challenge yourself to think critically about what you learn. Engage in discussions, debate ideas, and teach others. Sharing knowledge not only reinforces what you've learned but also encourages a deeper understanding and retention. Keep your mind sharp by engaging in brain-stimulating activities regularly. Embrace the challenge today and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant mind tomorrow. Next up, let's dive into the importance of staying hydrated. Water, the elixir of life, is not just vital for our survival but also plays a crucial role in maintaining cognitive health. Our brains, fascinatingly composed of about 75% water, rely heavily on hydration to function optimally. When we don't drink enough water, our brain cells lose efficiency, leading to difficulties in focusing, thinking clearly, and even remembering. Dehydration can subtly creep in, affecting your ability to perform mental tasks before physical symptoms become apparent. It can lead to brain fog, fatigue, and mood swings, all of which can impair our day-to-day cognitive functions. Moreover, chronic dehydration could potentially increase the risk of longer-term brain health issues. So, how can one ensure they're adequately hydrated? Start by integrating more water into your daily routine. Carry a water bottle and take small sips throughout the day, even when you're not feeling particularly thirsty. If plain water doesn't excite your palate, try infusing it with natural flavors like cucumber, lemon, or berries to make it more appealing. Recognizing the signs of dehydration is also crucial. These can include dry mouth, headaches, dizziness, and extreme thirst. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's a signal from your body to increase your water intake immediately. Incorporating adequate hydration into your lifestyle is a simple yet effective strategy to boost your brain function. Drink up and keep your brain hydrated for optimal performance. While we're on the topic of consumption, let's talk about alcohol and smoking. Diving into the world of beverages and habits, it's important to address how alcohol and smoking can impact our brain health. While a glass of wine or a beer might seem harmless, regular or excessive consumption can actually have profound effects on our cognitive functions. First, let's pore over some facts about alcohol. Consuming alcohol in large amounts can lead to neuroinflammation and brain cell damage. Over time, this can result in memory lapses, impaired decision-making, and even contribute to long-term conditions like dementia. It's not just about the quantity, but also the frequency of drinking that can escalate these risks. Now, let's clear the air about smoking. It's well known for damaging the lungs, but its impact on the brain is equally alarming. Smoking leads to a reduction in cerebral blood flow and changes in brain chemistry, which can accelerate the aging process of the brain. Furthermore, nicotine addiction from smoking can make it difficult to focus, learn new things, or even perform daily tasks efficiently. The combination of smoking and drinking can compound these effects, making it a duo best avoided or significantly reduced. For those looking to protect and enhance brain health, moderating alcohol intake and quitting smoking are crucial steps. For the sake of your brain, consider moderating alcohol and steering clear of smoking. As we wrap up today's video, let's quickly recap the essentials for maintaining optimal brain health. First, enrich your diet with omega-3 fatty acids. They're brain food. Don't forget, engaging in regular exercise isn't just good for the body but also for the mind. Prioritizing sleep can significantly enhance cognitive functions, while brain training exercises keep the mind sharp. Staying hydrated supports overall cognitive health, and limiting alcohol while avoiding smoking protects your brain's integrity. Thank you for joining us at Health Nuggets headquarters. Remember, taking care of your brain is crucial. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.